kod jotelo makiro weche manyalo kelo thuye e kind oganda. Kibe mane loso e campaign mare e gwenge ma Mariaini e sub county ma Gatundu North nomedo ni jotelo madiro weche makamago winjo kawnegi okang' mar chik mondo oneni ok gidhiro Kenya e tulo.
And I don't think anybody should feel agitated when the president, because who has also had a right as a Kenyan citizen to express what he thinks and what is right for this country. I think that is ideally what has happened. But we've also seen there are people who have a tendency of trying to create disharmony in the country. We cannot allow this country to go back to where we were. And I think for me, peace is very important, and that is what we are doing here, preaching peace to our people, and that peaceful coexistence, we are within different communities, in our homes, in between family members. We need each other after the 9th of August.
Jacom Duol Mario